Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. On December 31st, 2024, the Moore police were involved in a pursuit of a wanted subject, 35-year-old Kayla Cervantes, who had felony warrants. Traffic units identified Cervantes' vehicle in Moore and attempted a traffic stop. Cervantes refused to stop, leading to a pursuit. Cervantes drove dangerously and erratically through traffic lights, into oncoming traffic, and through parking lots before Moore officers performed a TVI to bring the pursuit to an end near I-240 in May. The suspect's vehicle rolled onto its side before coming to a complete stop, where officers took Cervantes into custody without incident. She was taken to a nearby hospital and medically cleared before being booked into the Cleveland County Detention Center. Cervantes had multiple warrants and planned to sell M30 fentanyl pills, meth, heroin, and drug paraphernalia. No officers or civilians were injured during this pursuit.
Okay, we're getting on 240 westbound.
Clear westbound on 240.
Five mile an hour westbound. Coming up to the 35 junction, still westbound. Medium traffic, still westbound, past 35. Coming up on Santa Fe, still westbound. Westbound, coming up on Walker.
Do we have a vehicle description?
Exit on Walker, westbound, it's a white Dodge Ram pickup.
Clear.
Tag 15, Zebra Tom 858.
Perfect.
Southbound on Walker. Southbound on Walker.
Clear southbound Walker.
He's going to come back northbound on Walker. Northbound.
Clear northbound Walker.
Through the Casey's gas station parking lot. Now Johnny is still in the parking lot. Right here. Out to the service road.
Clear eastbound.
Off the curb going back. West on 240. West on 240.
Get her now, Darwin. TVI now.
going back west on 240. West on 240. On TVI now. Still westbound on 240.
Clear.
Still westbound, passing Western, 240 westbound.
Clear, passing Western.
Westbound, passing 10.
Clear.
Update speed truck. Well, light traffic for 240, we're talking 80 mile an hour, still westbound. TVI crash, start medical, 240 in May, start medical.
Clear, TVI, 240 in May, starting IMSA.
Headquarters, she's out, she's 10-4.
I'm clear.
Sector 1 headquarters show Lincoln 12 out of the city and reference the TVI, and I'll maintain supervisory control of the city.
I'm clear.
Headquarters, we're going to need a unit eastbound to block. We've got a lot of debris on the eastbound lanes as well.
I'm clear.
Robert, have fun here.
Lincoln 12, Adam 11. Will you come take care of that, and then I'll use your camera for pictures. Monroe?
Delta 34, headquarters. I've got a camera and I'm in around from 240 and sooner.
I'm